nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Gerardo or Gerardo?
Gerardo.
Almost similar, again, 96 square meter of flat area and more or less 92 square meter of floor area, more or less. So, similar lang sila na it could fit into almost to carport. Tapos, when it comes sa sa design, yung sa facade lang, and if you've noticed yung sa Gerardo is nasa gitna yung balcony niya. So, you could show them around with the balcony nasa gitna. And so, nasa gitna yung balcony niya. But for this one, it's a lot bigger of 1 square meter.
Yes, the two regular bedrooms are actually bigger by 1 square meter.
Okay. Sige. Yan. Similar layout, we could show you around as well. Tara.